A quiet home, a beautiful backyard, a normal morning. Until one day, the smell hits. Not just a bad smell, a warning. At first, Mike ignored it. He thought maybe it was the weather, maybe the drains, maybe nothing serious. But within weeks, his yard became impossible to enjoy. The sink drained slower. The toilet started making strange sounds. And then came the nightmare every homeowner fears, a septic backup. The repair quote? Over $8,000. And the worst part? The technician told him something shocking. This could have been prevented. That single sentence changed everything. Mike discovered that most septic systems don't fail overnight. They slowly clog over time, from grease, sludge, paper waste, soap buildup, and harmful bacteria imbalance. The scary part? Most people don't realize there's a problem until the damage is already done. So he started searching for a simple way to maintain his septic system before disaster struck again. That's when he found a small, oxygen-powered tablet solution called Septifix. At first, he was skeptical. How could one tablet possibly help a massive septic tank? But the concept was surprisingly simple. The tablets are designed to release oxygen and beneficial bacteria directly into the system, helping break down waste naturally while supporting cleaner tank conditions over time. No complicated installation, no harsh chemicals, no expensive monthly maintenance crews. Just drop it into the toilet and flush. Within days, Mike noticed the odor fading. Then the slow drainage improved. And over time, the entire system started running more smoothly. What surprised him most wasn't the convenience, it was the peace of mind. Because septic problems don't just cost money, they create stress, embarrassment, unexpected emergencies, and many homeowners wait too long before taking preventive action. Today, more people are looking for simple septic maintenance options that may help reduce buildup, support healthy bacterial balance, and keep systems operating efficiently. Some users even report fewer odors and less frequent maintenance concerns after consistent use. Of course, no product can magically fix every serious septic issue overnight. But regular maintenance can make a major difference in long-term system health. And that's why solutions like Septifix are getting attention from homeowners across the country. Because nobody wants to discover a septic problem when it's already too late. So if you own a septic system, ask yourself one question: would you rather maintain it now or pay thousands later? Check the link below to learn more about how Septifix works and why so many homeowners are adding it to their maintenance routine before the next warning sign appears.